In this video, I will show you how to copy product link on eBay. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, find the product that you want to copy your product link for. So you might already have your product up, but for my example, I'm just going to go ahead and search for an item. So I'm going to search for this computer chair and then click to go to the product listing. Now, once you're on the product page, if you look in the top right hand corner, you're going to see this share link button just up here. So what you want to do is give that a click to bring up a window like this. And you can see we've got the product link here. So to go ahead and copy this, all you need to do is simply click onto the product link itself. As you can see, the link has now been copied and we can proceed to share that wherever we want just by pasting it, for example, into the address bar. And you can see it's going to take us directly to the product page. So that is how to copy product link on eBay. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.